time we were working with adding a new tux, a super tux, that we can fly around. Definitely needs some work, but he's usable now. But I wanted to add some features to him. One thing we're going to add, let's go over to our second layer here where our super tux is. And we have the sound playing of him getting shot out of the cannon. Should be the boom sound. But we're going to add another sound here. So let's go add sound. And we're going to say, call it up, up, away. And we're going to open and refresh the screen here. Oh, right there, up, up, and away. And let's move it up so that it is in the appropriate spot. Connect here. Now, when we shoot him out, he should say, up and away! Up and away! Up and away! Again, it's kind of going over the first part, the first up. We might be able to adjust that later on, but right now, obviously it's my voice. Let's put the volume up to 2, and that's the max that Blender will allow you to boost it. And we'll turn the pitch up 12, so a whole octave here. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to open up a wave editor over here. Start a new session. Open. Blender, games, just off Penguin sounds. And I'm going to choose my up, up, and away sound. Oh, there it is. Okay. And let's, Blender seems to be, let's minimize Blender here for a second because it seems to be getting in the way. Okay. Let's copy a part of this. And then we should be able to effects, normalize. Let's open just to silence it. I don't play with effects. I mainly use this program for trimming. Let's just do fade in, fade out, just volume fade. Oh, here we go. 0, 0. That'll be fine. Perfect. So now there'll be a little bit of a space. Just save over the old file. Let's bring Blender back up here. Boom. And we should be able to reload this file. Okay, so now he says that. That's something new. But we also, I'm going to make it so, let's go to our second layer with him chosen, and we're going to just give him a property called super tux. And we are going to take these concrete blocks, and we're going to say, if collision, with something with a property, let's make this bigger for you guys to see, something with a property of super tux is case sensitive, so make sure you capitalize it as you should. And we're going to say here super tux collide. Let's say super. And we're going to do two things, I think. We're going to edit object, and we're going to end the object. So we're going to destroy that concrete pillar. So we'll just say death. And we'll make a sound, and we're going to choose our flying tux, I think, is the one I want. I'm going to say play till end. let's see. Choose our super tux. Super tux. Got that property. And oh, which one did I grab? There we go. Okay, so let's choose each one of these concrete ones, choosing the one we add that to lastly. And we're going to say game copy logic bricks now. Okay, oh, but we do have that issue of it not playing the sound because we're destroying the object. Let's see here. Choose this one. And how about this? Instead of playing the sound there, just remove that. We'll give this concrete pillar a property of con for concrete. Sure, whatever. And we'll go to our super tux and add the sound to him instead. So here, if he collides with something that says a property of con, collision con, and con, then he'll actually be the one playing the sound. Add sound. And let's see. Start selecting all of these. That one last. We go up to game and copy properties con. Okay. Why did he not play that sound? Let's see. When he collides with something that says con, then we're going to play sound to end. Oh, that's the wrong sound though. Let's see. Complete level death. Cannon, that's what we want. So he's able to destroy those concrete pillars, which will make the game too easy, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to create another type of concrete here, or another type of element here. So let's just, let me look at the properties here. That one has that, end object always. That's good. End object. Okay, we'll just create a new cube here. Cube, add cube. Scale it down. Scale it up. Move it to here. We'll just get rid of this one that's back here. We're going to give it a new texture. New material. New. And we will give it a texture. New. Images. Open. Images. And I've got here kryptonite. There we go. Let's package that in. Oh, let's do that same for our tux. We forgot to do that last time. Boom, package that in so it's embedded into our blend file. And right there, it looks like green kryptonite. We need to give it some physics here, though. We're going to make it a rigid body box. Okay. And we're also going to give it a constraint. So always constraint on the Y local location. Right now, we shoot this. And that's not what I meant to do. Okay. Restart the level, please. There we go. Oh, but because we didn't save it, which we should do. So the green one stopped him. It didn't kill him. He just happened to die right then because he went through some concrete barricades. But what we want is for that green kryptonite to kill him. So with that green kryptonite, we are going to give it a property of green kryptonite. There we go. And our super tux. Let's make this full screen here. We're going to give him another collision. We're going to say on collision with something with a property of green kryptonite. Hopefully I spelt that with the same case sensitiveness as I did on the other object. We're going to say green. We know it's a collision, so I'm just going to put green. We'll say green here. And we have something for death already right there. Boom. So now he should die on collision with green kryptonite. So actually let's Shift D to copy this, clone it, put that right there. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it killed him. Okay. And that's it for this tutorial. And we're moving along. Next time we're going to make some red kryptonite. And we all know what red kryptonite does to Superman, right? Turns him evil. Okay. Please visit filmsbykris.com. That's Kris with a K. And there should be a link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. And visit filmsbykris.com/POP for more on Pop, Pissed Off Penguins.